We're tying classics today, and this one is no exception. Cool color, cool fly, and it's one of these all-rounders you want to have in your box. What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video here from my office. So today we are tying one of the classics. It is the Big Old Demon. This time I will be tying it in a color that is very popular here in Denmark or Germany, northern Germany actually. If you fish for sea trout, salmon pink is the color for sea trout. I mean, there's something magical about it. I'm pretty sure this will even catch perch or whatever. Really cool fly. It is a classic, so let's jump down to my vise here and tie out this Big Old Demon. Okay, so hook in my vise here is from Eric's Hooks. It is the NS156 in a size 8. One of my favorite hooks. I think it's, if you can say that, it's a pretty hook. I mean, it really fits a lot of different types of flies. The feathers I will be using are these, basically just a soft hackle feather. And the thing with a Big Old Demon is you can just tie this in every color of the rainbow. But as I mentioned, these salmon pink colored feathers seem to have some magical effect on the sea trout, at least here. So for the tail, I will be tying a feather in like so. This here, you just pluck that off, flip this back on itself. So now it will be very secure. Get the thread out of the way. Fold these back. And then just in touching turns, wrap this feather up towards the hook eye. I think I'll be using it all. Kind of have to look a little bit and see if you want it bulkier or a little bit more sparse. I think this will work, so let me just back that up just a little bit. Secure it, a few wraps, same thing, fold this back. Trim off the hackle stem. This might even be a little bit too much, but it'll do for the video. It will fish, of course. It's just personal preference, really. So let's get in some flash for the body here. In this case, I will be using, this is called lateral scale, but you can use it for the underbody. So catch that. In front here. Try to do it as cleanly as possible. And then you want to stop right around this point here, because I will be doing something behind that front hackle, which I think looks really cool for this fly. Also with the material you saw me use in the Game Changer video. Get that underbody. Secure this. Trim that off. So I will be using this neon opaque chenille, which I used for the for that game changer fly last week. Was it last week? A while back. Tie this in here. What I did is I plucked out some of the fibers here to expose the core. Try to catch that without catching too many of those. I don't even know what I always say fibers. I guess that's a universal word for that. So let's get in just 1 or 2 turns. I think this looks good, so catch that. Fold it back. Make a few securing wraps here in front of it. Trim that off. Maybe brush that out just a little bit. There you go. And then just tie on top of it a little bit, because I want it to point backwards. I just think it looks better. Grab another feather. Same thing. Just prepare it a little bit. Like so. Right? So split the feather kind of on the middle there. Catch it. And then just pluck that tip off. Fold these back over on themselves. Get the thread up to the hook eye. Here I'll be needing my hackle pliers to get this done. Fold these back. And then just make your way up to the hook eye. If you find any value in this video and the other videos, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you like this. And also, you are most welcome to leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestions or any ideas, or if you just want to say hi, go ahead and leave a comment. I always like talking to you guys. I mean, I'm talking to you now, but all I see is a camera. So come hang out in the comments. Just clean that up a little bit. Now, I know some of you guys hate when the head of the fly is a different color, and you can use a Copic marker or something like that to just color this. Let me just show what I mean. If I have a color that matches this, just trim this. So I have these markers I showed you in one of the videos. I think this one will look just fine. So these are basically just some cheap colors, Copic markers. this color is actually a little bit off, so there's that. But that's one way to color that knot if you don't like it in white. I don't mind, and I'm pretty sure that the fish won't mind either. But that is the fly for you. Fairly fast, easy to tie, and in this color combination, it's really deadly for the sea trouts. Thank you guys so much for watching, even if it was a fast one here. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and a comment. As I mentioned, it's totally for free. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.